This easy dessert is perfect for Easter. We're starting off with our sugar cookie dough, and we're gonna grease our muffin tin and place our sugar cookie dough into our muffin tin. We're gonna bake these at 350 for 15 minutes. While those are in the oven, we're gonna grab a medium-sized bowl. We're gonna add 2 blocks of softened cream cheese to our bowl, 2 sticks of softened butter. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract in our bowl with our cream cheese and butter. Next, we're adding 4 cups of powdered sugar. And once we have all of those in our bowl, we're gonna mix this until well combined. And for our fun twist, we're gonna add some green food dye, and we're gonna add as much as we want. I'm going for a pastel green, so we're gonna mix in that food dye until we have a beautiful pastel green. Once we have our mixture all together, we're gonna grab our sugar cookies out of the oven. We're gonna grab a shot glass and we're gonna grease our shot glass and make divots into each of our sugar cookies. Next, I'm gonna bring in my cream cheese frosting that I put into a piping bag and pipe them into each of our sugar cookies. We're gonna finish this off with some Cadbury eggs so that it has a fun Easter flair. And there you go, so easy and so delicious. You're gonna love this easy spring craft. We're starting off with a large plastic planter and a pool noodle. We're gonna bend our noodle into our planter and we're gonna use some duct tape to tape it in so it looks like so. Once you have it taped in, we're gonna grab some fun spring Easter ribbon. I got the ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and we're gonna wrap our pool noodle completely in our beautiful ribbon. And once our ribbon is completely wrapped around our pool noodle, we're gonna secure it with a little bit more duct tape so that it can't move. Once we have our pool noodle wrapped, I'm gonna grab some faux flowers. You can get these large bundles from Amazon or Michael's or even Dollar Tree. I'm adding an additional bow and then this cute little bunny butt decoration that I got from the Dollar Tree. And now our beautiful Easter basket planter is ready for your front porch. How cute! This is the easiest Easter treat. You're going to want to make it every year because it's so good and so delicious. Grab some Easter M&Ms, dump it in a bowl. I used about 2 cups. Grab some pretzels, whatever shape pretzels you like, some kettle corn, put this all in the bowl together, some honey nut checks right into that bowl. We're using about 2 cups of each ingredient. Then we're going to finish off with some Cheerios. Just put them right in that bowl, and I grabbed some candy melt, some white and some pink. I poured them right into the bowl, and then you start mixing. This is going to take some arm work, but it's going to end up so good. Once everything is well mixed together, you're going to want to grab a sheet pan and lay out your entire mixture right on top of a sheet pan. Once the whole thing is on your sheet pan, make sure it's laid out flat and put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes, and there you go. You have some bunny bait, and it's so good.